Welcome to my hometown cooking series, episode 1, Crispy Pork Belly in Air Fryer. Are you tired of struggling to achieve that perfect crispy pork belly in air fryer? Look no further. I'm introducing today in this video the ultimate goodness of perfectly crispy pork in air fryer, which is this. Nail it on your first try. This video is to master the art of cooking, and I will be sharing some secrets how to do a crispy pork belly with really very simple 4 simple ingredients: no deep fried, no oil, and no baked in salt. In today's video, I also will unveiling the secrets how to achieve the juices melt in the mouth of the crispy pork, and of course the crunchy crispy skin of the pork belly. Golden skin that everybody's love, and there's less salt if you compare to those buy from the store. And here's the catch. Stick around until the end of the video to witness the sizzling, the cracking sound of the pork belly, crunchy, crispy when you cut through, and obviously the juicy meat is really nice and tender even using the air fryer. The whole cooking time it just take about 45 minutes. That's it. Don't need oven, just this master of the Philip air fryer. Alright, let's get cooking. Here's the crunch for my son. Step 1. Preparing the pork belly. Start with 750 grams of pork belly, ensuring it's cut into halves for even cooking in the air fryer. Choose a cut with less fat for that perfect balance. What we're looking for here is what in Chinese is called 三层肉, means 3 layers of meat, meaning there's a clear distinction between the skin, the fat, and the meat. Using a sharp knife, score the skin side of the pork belly. Scoring the pork belly at 1 to 2 cm intervals, then go back and score again in the opposite directions to form a crosshatch or diamond pattern. Next, generously season the pork belly with salt. This will enhance the flavors and help achieve that crispy, golden skin we all love. The salt will draw out even more moisture released from the skin, which will help it crispy it up. Now, this is the key part. Sprinkle 3 teaspoons of Chinese 5-spice powder evenly over the pork belly for an aromatic blend of flavors. While you should season the slab of pork belly, leave it all for the meat and fleshy parts, and none on the skin. Next ingredient, drizzle 3 teaspoons of Chinese Shaoxing wine over the pork belly to add depth of flavor. Massage the ingredients into the meat for an even distribution. Next golden rule is to pat dry with paper towel. The easiest way to get rid of surface moisture is to simply pat your meat dry with paper towels before you cook it. Don't skip this little but crucial step. Once completed the pat dry, transfer the pork to plate. Refrigerate overnight with cling film. Well, for me it's with cling film for hygienic reasons, or you can leave it uncovered, which is what my mom always did. Add on a little bit more table salt to draw out moisture from the skin. Last time my mom used to leave it uncovered in the fridge, as she told me that it allows the pork skin to further dry out as the cold air of the refrigerator will suck away the moisture. Well, for me, I feel it's more for hygienic reason, and I cover it with cling film. Chill it in the fridge overnight or minimally 4 hours. Again, pack the skin dry with paper towel. Grab a sheet of aluminum foil and place it under the pork belly. fold the foil up around the pork belly so that it can cover all sides of the meat, leaving the top skin exposed. Aluminium foil not only keeps our meat juicy and tender, but also helps protect the food basket of our air fryer from getting greasy or encrusted with food particles. It's a great option if you want to keep melted, juicy meat from sticking to your air fryer basket. Make sure that you close all the edges of the aluminium foil like a little basket. Once you're happy with it, again pat the skin dry with paper towel. I don't want any moisture on the skin itself. Open your air fryer. Place pork in air fryer basket. Make sure that it's carefully place it in the middle of the air fryer. And of course, skin side up. Use the meat mode and adjust to 120 Celsius for 30 minutes. The reason why we use 120 Celsius, which is a low temperature, if you don't cook it on this such low heat in the air fryer, the meat itself will be tough. After 30 minutes, let's check. Wow. Don't be alarmed at this stage with the look. Yes, it looks really not appetizing yet. And of course, use a tongue to remove the meat from the aluminium foil. We are going to remove the aluminium foil from the air fryer basket. Slowly and carefully, because the basket is sizzling hot. Well, not really sizzling hot, it's 120 Celsius, by the way. Well, I promise this is the last time that we pat the skin again. Close the air fryer basket and we are doing the second time cooking. Now using the same mode but adjust the temperature to 200 Celsius for 10 minutes. It depends on the size. After the 10 minutes, let's open it. Well, I'm not really happy with another meat, so I'm going to swap the position for the pork and sort around and cook for another 3 more minutes, I reckon. If your meat is slightly smaller than mine, I guess 10 minutes will be a good cooking time. And I'm going to sort my pork positions for the less crispy one into inner part of the air fryer. Close the air fryer basket and continue cooking with 200 Celsius same mode but 3 more minutes. Ta-da! Once the pork belly is golden brown and irresistibly crispy like this, carefully remove it from the air fryer. Look at that golden skin and crunchy skin. Remove the pork belly from the air fryer and rest for 10 minutes. Look at that. Hear the sound. Cut the pork belly into slices and enjoy the hearing cracking golden crispy skin sound.
44. 44. 44. 44.
Wow.
40. So nice, I think. Ooh. Wow! Oh, see, it looks like nice. Ooh. Wow! Looks like crispy.
Smell good?
Bubbling.
Ooh.
Pork.
Okay? Wow.
Wow. Wow. Oh.
Serve with your choice of the sides, which is the fresh cucumber that I'm serving with, and as well as the dipping sauce, any Thai chili sauce or the sweet mustard, the hoisin sauce. Yeah, there's plenty of choices that you can mix together with this crispy golden brown crispy pork in the air fryer. And there you have it. For the very first try, you have Malaysian Chinese crispy pork belly, golden brown and bursting with flavor for this upcoming Chinese New Year. The reason why we're eating this crispy pork during the Chinese New Year is because it's said to bring prosperity and wealth to all who consume it. Here you go. I'm wrapping it up with a quick, tantalizing summary of this written recipe. I hope you enjoy this mouth-watering treat. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. Stay tuned for my next episode 2, Hometown Food Cooking. See you!